Hello! Okay, so today is a really fun day because I'm doing a film photo shoot with a local YouTuber, need gas, named Claire, and we're doing 3 different looks, 3 different locations. The first look we're doing is at a local coffee shop, and that's where I am now. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you a little bit of behind the scenes as the day goes along. So let's get into it. This is cute how we're kind of watching. I know. Okay, so quick update. This is Claire. Hi. She's the person that I'm doing the film photo shoot with, which we only got a couple of them because my camera decided to like stop working, which is fine. It's what happens with a vintage camera. You just try it out. But so we're actually in a wine bar alley, and it's really pretty. Taking some really good shots. She's a natural at posing.
I am not. She's a natural at posing, and she has tried to explain to me how to pose, and she has probably realized this girl is so unqualified.
No, you're so good. These pictures, I'm super excited. But we've taken a million just in this little alley.
Cute.
It's just very like Spanish themed. But we did some pictures right there in that little stairwell, and then we just did some kind of sitting here at the little bistros and just out there. But we are absolutely sweating. The humidity, yeah, like my hair. I was telling her, I was like, I look like a friggin' swamp.
My hair was curly when we got here.
Same. So now we're just all slicked down. It's a new look. But yeah, there's just a little update, and here's Claire.
Hi guys.
Oh, also she does have a YouTube channel as well, so I'll link all of her things down there for you, so you can all go follow her.
That is me.
But yeah, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, it is a million billion degrees, but I just wanted to show you the second location that we are at. Okay, I think we might be way overexposed. I can't see you, but I'm sure you can see me. I had to pull the hair up. But we are at the last location. I guess I didn't show you the first one really, but we're at the last location, which is so pretty pier. I can't see that if you can see that. And then you can also see somewhere, you can see the skyline out there somewhere. But anyway, we're going to start the pictures in look number 3.
Yay.
Location, but we drove up to somewhere a little higher. This is kind of where we are. It is very pretty. It's just a higher up view of the bay and that same pier you saw earlier. And then she's changing to a dress. I don't know if we showed y'all her outfit change, but that's the look. So we're about to go down the steepest stairs known to man, but I mean it's got a pretty view, so I mean I guess it'll be worth it.